You probably think identical twins have exactly the same fingerprints because they share the same DNA. They don't. They don't. And that's one of the strangest facts about the human body. If their genetic blueprint is identical, then who or what changes the final design? This question matters because fingerprints help identify billions of people around the world, from unlocking your phone to solving crimes. Yet nature somehow creates a unique pattern for every single person, even for twins who begin life with the very same genes. Think of DNA like a recipe for baking bread. Two people can use the exact same recipe, but tiny differences in the oven can change the final loaf. So, what is nature's invisible oven? Let's start with the part that surprises most people. Identical twins begin as one fertilized egg that splits into two embryos. That means they receive the exact same DNA, almost like making two copies of the same instruction manual. So, if the instructions match perfectly, why doesn't the final picture? Your fingerprints don't appear overnight. They slowly form before you're born, while you're still growing inside the womb. Around the middle of pregnancy, the skin on your fingertips begins folding into tiny ridges, almost like wrinkles forming on a sheet of soft fabric. But here's the twist. Those folds don't grow in a perfectly controlled way. Genes set the overall plan. They decide things like when fingerprint ridges start forming and the general type of pattern you're likely to have. You can think of DNA as an architect drawing the blueprint for a house. The blueprint matters, but it doesn't decide where every tiny scratch or paint mark will end up. As those ridges grow, countless tiny influences shape them. The exact pressure of the surrounding fluid, the position of each baby's fingers, how fast different parts of the skin grow, and even microscopic movements inside the womb all play a role. It's like dropping a leaf into a flowing stream. The current changes ever so slightly each second, and the leaf never follows the same path twice. Could tiny changes really leave permanent marks for life? The answer is yes. Fingerprint ridges grow like waves spreading across a pond. If one wave starts just a fraction of a second earlier, or another bumps into it from a slightly different angle, the final pattern changes forever. Those tiny differences may be far too small for anyone to notice while they're happening, but they become permanent once the ridges finish forming. Here's the surprising fact that changes everything. Scientists don't think anyone, not even with perfect knowledge of your DNA, could predict your exact fingerprint before you're born. That's because fingerprints are shaped by both genetics and random developmental events. In other words, your fingerprints aren't just written by your genes, they're partly written by chance. And that's why identical twins have different fingerprints. Their DNA gives both the same starting blueprint, but each twin grows in a slightly different physical environment inside the womb. Those tiny differences snowball as the fingerprint ridges develop, creating patterns that are unmistakably unique. The blueprint is shared. But the journey isn't. Now the opening mystery makes sense. DNA doesn't work like a photocopier that produces flawless duplicates. It's more like a recipe cooked in two different kitchens at the same time. Even if every ingredient matches, tiny differences during the process create two final results that no one could ever mistake for one another. This idea reaches far beyond fingerprints. It reminds us that biology isn't only about genes. Life also depends on countless tiny events that unfold moment by moment, shaping everything from the branching of blood vessels to the wiring of parts of the brain. Identical twins may begin with the same genetic script, but each one writes a slightly different story as they grow. So, the next time you unlock your phone with your fingerprint, remember this: even if someone in the world shares your DNA, nature still made your fingertips one of a kind. And what other parts of you might have been shaped by the same beautiful mix of biology and chance? Subscribe now, because the next mystery is even stranger.